Welcome back YouTube to the Can Hunt and Canuck channel, and this installment of What Did Double J Buy? Now while I'm doing this unboxing, I'm going to tell you a little story here. I wanted to buy a new shotgun to introduce some new shooters to shotgunning, and I know what I wanted. I wanted a Ithaca Model 37 because it's bottom injecting and one of the shooters is left-handed, so I figured that would be better. So I went online and went to one of the gun stores websites, and they had a Ithaca Model 37 20 gauge, which is what I wanted. And you see I bought a crate of 20 gauges, or a box of 250 20 gauge Federal target load, shot number 9. So I drove up to the gun store, which is about an hour and a half away. And when I get there, I asked the guy at the counter about the Ithaca 20 gauge, and he tells me that it was a misprint and it was actually a 16 gauge. Now I like the 16 gauge, and for any of the other Canucks out there, if you go to your local Crap and Tire, they're starting to carry 16 gauge now, but still kind of hard to come by, and I wanted something I can get like AA if I want to start reloading and stuff like that. So what did I end up getting? Well, let's see. Okay, so this is what I got. Check it out. It's a Mossberg 500 in 20 gauge. Comes with 3 removable chokes. Now, it showed me the Remington. Got a Remington there. Brand new Remington, but it was a youth model, which would have been alright, but I want to shoot this one myself, and I'm over 6 feet, so the youth models are a little bit too small for me. So fairly short barrel, but I like the twin beads. And there it is. Together here. Brand spanking new. And if it ever stops raining, and I'll take it out and see how it works on clay targets. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.